everyone, welcome back to our English listening practice. Today's topic is school is more than just books. When we think of school, we usually imagine classrooms, teachers, and books. Yes, books are important because they give us knowledge and information. But school is not only about books. School gives us much more. It helps us learn about life, about people, and about ourselves. At school, we don't just memorize lessons. We also learn how to think, ask questions, and solve problems. For example, in science, we may read about experiments, but we also do them in class. In history, we don't just remember dates, we try to understand why events happened. School is a place where we meet many people. We learn how to talk, share, and work together. These social skills are very important for the future. We also make friends at school. Friends make us happy, help us when we are sad, and share memories with us. School is not only about math or reading. It also gives us chances to try music, art, sports, or drama. Many students discover new talents and hobbies through these activities. Some even build their future careers from them. In school, we also learn life skills like time management, responsibility, teamwork, and leadership. These skills help us in daily life. School also teaches us values such as honesty, respect, and kindness. We learn how to treat others and how to make good choices. School is not always easy. Sometimes subjects are hard or exams are stressful. But facing challenges makes us stronger. We learn how to work hard, try again after failure, and keep going until we succeed. When you hear the word school, what do you think of? Most people think of classrooms, teachers, and of course books. Books are very important. They give us knowledge and information. But is that all school is about? Just books? No. School is much, much more. School is a place where we grow. It is a place where we make friends. It is a place where we discover new talents. It is a place where we learn about life, not only from books, but also from experiences. In this lesson, let's explore together why school is more than just books. We will talk about knowledge, social skills, friendships, talents, life skills, character, challenges, and the future. So, let's begin. Of course, books are important in school. They give us facts, dates, and lessons. But in school, we learn more than what is written in the textbook. Think about a science class. A book might tell us about plants or about energy. But when we do an experiment in class, when we actually grow a plant or test how things move, we understand it more deeply. Think about math. A book might give us problems to solve, but when we use math in real life, like planning money for shopping or measuring for a project, we learn how math is useful. So, knowledge is not only in books. In school, teachers guide us to ask questions, share ideas, and use what we learn in daily life. Now, let's think about people. School is full of people. There are classmates, teachers, and staff. Every day, we talk, share, and work together. This helps us learn social skills. What are social skills? They are the ways we communicate, cooperate, and respect each other. For example, when we work on a group project, we learn how to listen to others, share our own ideas, and find solutions together. When we play games at recess or in sports, we learn teamwork and fair play. In life, these social skills are just as important as academic skills. A person who is very smart but cannot talk or work with others will face many problems in the future. School gives us daily practice in building relationships and learning how to live with people who are different from us. One of the most special things about school is friendship. Many of us make our first friends at school. We share time together, studying, laughing, playing, and sometimes even crying. Friends make school fun. They make learning less stressful. When we succeed, friends celebrate with us. When we struggle, friends support us. Friendships also teach us about loyalty, kindness, and trust. These are lessons that no book can teach fully. They come from real experiences with real people. Even teachers can become part of these special relationships. A teacher who believes in us can inspire us for life. Their encouragement can change how we see ourselves. So, yes, books are useful, but friendships and relationships are treasures we carry forever. School is not only about math, science, and reading. It is also a place to explore our talents. Maybe you love to draw. In art class, you discover your gift for painting. Maybe you enjoy music. In music class, you learn to play guitar or sing in the choir. Maybe you are full of energy. On the sports field, you find joy in running, football, or basketball. Some students enjoy drama, debate, or technology clubs. Each of these opens new doors. Sometimes, these hobbies become future careers. Other times, they stay as fun activities for life. Either way, school gives us the chance to discover who we are and what we enjoy. Without school, many talents would stay hidden. Some schools also teach about health, safety, money, and technology. These are skills we need for real life. Think about this. No textbook can teach you exactly how to manage your day, but school teaches you through practice, through deadlines, through teamwork. And these lessons stay with us forever. A good school is not just a place for exams. It is also a place to grow in character. What does that mean? It means learning values like honesty, respect, and kindness. School is not always easy. Sometimes homework is heavy. Sometimes exams feel too difficult. Sometimes competition is stressful. But challenges are important. Why? Because they make us stronger. When we study hard and finally pass, we learn the value of effort. When we fail and try again, we learn resilience. When we lose in sports but keep practicing, we learn determination. Life is full of challenges. School is like training for life. It teaches us not to give up, but to keep moving forward. School is also the first step toward the future. It prepares us for jobs, careers, and adult life. In school, we learn how to speak in public, how to work with others, and how to manage projects. These are skills we will need in the workplace. Career guidance, internships, or even simple class projects help us explore what we might want to do later in life. So, while books help us pass tests, the whole school experience helps us prepare for our future journey. Finally, let's not forget something very special: memories. School is full of memories that stay in our hearts. The first day of school, the excitement of making new friends, the nervousness before an exam, the joy of graduation day. These memories are priceless. They remind us that school is not only about lessons, but also about growing up, step by step. So let's end with this. School is more than just books. Books are important. They give us knowledge, but school also gives us friendships, life skills, values, and experiences. It helps us discover talents. It teaches us resilience. It prepares us for the future. And it gives us memories that last a lifetime. So, next time you think about school, remember it is not only a place to read and write, it is a place to live, to grow, and to prepare for life itself. Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this English listening practice, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.